Hey everybody, welcome back. So last week I showed you one method for cleaning a razor clam using a fillet knife, and I didn't have my scissors at the time, and so I like to use scissors. And so start out cutting the tip of the neck off, and then we got the adductor muscles here. Okay, these two. I like to soak them in vinegar and lime, garlic, onions, and chili. But you can also saute them really lightly with butter and garlic. So this front one here, cut on both sides of it, and this back one, cut the front side of it. Now, after we've done that, grip the mantle here, and then just rip the muscle off, okay? And then the front one here, just, since you cut it on both sides, just grip it and pull it off, okay? So, now you want to pull the mantle away from the boot and then separate the boot from the neck. Okay, so we've got the neck here. Now you got the two vent holes here, and they usually have a bunch of sand in them, so I like to stick the scissors in the top vent hole, split it, and then stick it in the bottom vent hole and split that center line. So here we go. Still got some gills attached to this one, so rip these gills off. They get a bad flavor if you leave them on. So here we got a nice cleaned clam with the neck and the mantle. Now one of the things that I started doing is cutting the neck off. Okay. The reason I do that is because if you fry these, the neck's going to get chewy, even if you only fry them for a few seconds on each side. But the mantle really doesn't get that chewy. And so I'm using the necks for chowder, and I'm using the mantles to fry. So I still get my fried clams, and I'm able to get some chowder out of it too without losing out too much on the fried clams. So here's the boot. Cut the gills off, split the back of it, and run the knife through out the front. Excuse me, run the scissors through. So there we go. I'll do one more for you. Here's a nice looking one. Okay, so cut the tip of the neck off. It's your choice if you want to. Front of the muscle, behind the muscle, and then one time in front of the mantle. Grip the mantle, rip the muscle off, come up here, take this muscle off, pull the mantle away from the boot, both sides, pull the boot away from the neck. Take your scissors, put it in the top vent hole, put it in the bottom vent hole. It's open. This one's pretty clean. Cut the neck off for chowder, grind it up, and then here's the mantle, ready to go for frying. Okay, we got the boot. Cut the gills and everything off. Split the back of it, and run the scissors up. There we go. Beautiful. Alright you guys, well, appreciate you watching. If you could like and subscribe, we'd appreciate that too. And don't forget, go outside, get some razor clams.